Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor, excited to be with you here in the Forest River Dream Lab. I'm excited to show you the 252Rble. This is one of our top-selling Legend floor plans, under 30 feet, just over 5,000 pounds. So this is designed for that mid-sized vehicle, and we've got a ton of features you're not going to typically find under 30 feet in this unit. So let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about is a ton of space in here that you're going to notice right away. 82-inch ceiling height. We also raised the slide-out height, so 3 inches we went up. Gives you a lot more comfort when you're stepping into that dining space here. We've got a 4-person booth dinette. It's going to sit 4 people very comfortably. We've got some really nice windows, a great feature there, and you've got some storage underneath. So if you've got additional items, pillows, blankets, games, whatever, you've got a standard pedestal here. Tabletop comes off, slides on very easily, but you can take those legs, store them underneath. Makes it very simple to do that. So some nice additional storage for you there. Next thing I want to show you is this entertainment center. Very easy to view the entertainment area. A lot of times you'll have to turn your head to see that. You don't have to do that here. You've got some storage shelves, some very nice storage underneath for games, movies, whatever you've got there. Under 30 feet, you're typically not going to find a sofa and a dinette. Very cool. You've got 2 seating areas directly across from your entertainment area. This is a jackknife sofa, which is going to come standard in this unit. Lifts up and forms a sleeping space very easily, but just keep in mind you can upgrade this to our TSS, which is our trifold sofa sleeper. Walking into the kitchen here, we've got a ton of storage in here for a smaller floor plan under 30 feet. We've got heat going through the cabinetry, so that's something we did for model change 2021 is we got rid of all the floor vents, so you're not going to see any floor vents across the board in Surveyors. We've got a residential faucet. This will actually come off too and allow you to have some versatility when you're washing your dishes. And then also a stainless steel undermount sink. Square sink, nice and big, so it gives you a ton of space to work. We're using higher end countertops than what you typically see at this price point. You've got scratch stain, chip resistant countertops here, so you can spill a glass of wine on it, it's not going to stain the materials. And then as we walk over here, you'll see you've got the glass stove cover. So again, if you're not using that range top, this gives you even more space to prepare food, do what you need to do in the kitchen. One of the upgrades we did for model change 2021 was the bigger refrigerator. You've got a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator here. It's important to know that what you're going to typically find out there in the lightweight segment is a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. So this is going to be much bigger, a ton more space for you. Before we head into the bathroom, I want to show you one other great feature that you're not going to see in a floor plan typically under 30 feet is this walk-in pantry. You've got motion sensor lighting here. So what we did in the front pass-through area and also in the pantries, we've got motion lighting across the board in all Surveyors, which is a great upgrade. Let's head on back into the bathroom. I want to show you some great features back there. So a lot of times when you have an outside kitchen, you lose the bathroom storage, but we have got a ton of storage in here, a lot of hanging storage. We've got porcelain toilet here, which you're going to find across the board in all Surveyors. We've got a nice big sink here, the seamless countertops again, so you've got this throughout. We really stepped back and said, okay, what does the customer want? Something residential but also functional. So what we did was we incorporated the built-in medicine cabinet here. You've got a toothbrush holder as well. So very functional, but also looks really good. We've got a huge shower here. What we did to upgrade for model change was this slow close retractable shower door. This is a very high-end feature at this price point. You know, we made some incredible changes. This is one of them. Let's head on to the front of the coach and I'm gonna show you some exciting stuff up there. So this is our classic front bedroom that I'm gonna show you here. I wanna reiterate here, you've got a private bedroom in a trailer that's under 30 feet. So we talked about the great seating areas. You've got the couch and the dinette. You've got a private bedroom here with a big walking space back to the bedroom, so a ton of space under 30 feet you're not typically going to find out there. You've got a 60 by 80 residential queen bed here. Oversized wardrobes. We've got some nice overhead storage here. And then one thing that we do that's very unique is this cool hidden area underneath. That bottom piece will lift up and gives you some private storage, some hidden storage where you could put anything you want, valuables, whatever down there. And you've also got power, so if you've got CPAP machines, or again, you just want to put some of your other items back there to charge, you can do that. Excited to show you some more exterior features of this 252Rble Legend. You've got pass-through that goes all the way across, and then if you get in there, you'll notice we've got aluminum bed bases now, which is a big upgrade. One thing I want to point out too, you've got a 3/4 inch bit here. This is going to hook up to your cordless drill, but just make it very easy to zip these these jacks down. Before we get to the entry here, I want to show you this nice big awning we've got with the LED strip light. Again, this is a 30-foot trailer, so you've got a ton of space on the outside. Something we did for model change 2021. You've got the step above step here, very stable, very easy to lift up and lock into place. They've got the new upgraded legs on here, very easy to adjust. Another great new feature we did was this Euro style entry handle. And then I want to point out, we've got friction hinge doors still across the board on all Surveyors. So if you've got a handful of groceries, if you got kids going in and out, you don't have to worry about latching this door and breaking that latch. There's no latches really anywhere on the exterior of this unit here that are gonna break easily, so that's a big upgrade for you. One of the most exciting things we did for model change 2021 was incorporate an outside kitchen on every single floor plan that we build. We've got a water source on the outside, so a spray port, a nice mini fridge here, dry sink, and then you've got our Suburban Elite Series cooktop, very easy to cook pretty much anything you want on there. You've got a roof ladder here that is standard equipment. That means that every roof on Surveyor is walkable. We've got our PVC roof material up there, the best roof material out there in the industry today, best warranty, best durability, and you never have to treat it. We've also got an 80-watt solar panel on the roof, standard across the board in all Surveyors. And we talked about some of the great interior features. We've got the 12-volt refrigerator, so this is going to help power that when you're off the grid. So that's a big deal. It's going to keep your battery charged for you. But this is a great system and a great standard feature that we've got on Surveyor. This has been the 252Rble couples coach, one of our top-selling Legend floor plans. Thanks for joining me today. As always, if you want more information, you can go to www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. Thanks for joining me.